Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Chiku Halwa. For this we need chiku, sugar, clarified butter, milk, desiccated coconut and cardamom. So take 10 to 15 chiku and cut them into cubes. Now take a pan, add half a teaspoon of clarified butter, let it melt. So take chiku, add them into the pan. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes by mashing them. Now add 100 ml milk. Cook it till extra moisture of milk will evaporate. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can avoid using sugar because chiku is very sweet kind of fruit. Now add 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut. Cook it for another 1 minute. Add cardamom for flavoring. And now transfer it into a bowl and refrigerate it. So your chiku coconut halwa is ready. Thank you.